Is Gala Games token going to be added to Grayscale fund management? That would be absolutely crazy because, as we know, Grayscale has grown alongside it, becoming the leading partner to investors as they navigate and deploy capital into this new asset class of cryptocurrencies. If we just take a look at the numbers, they have $55 billion worth of assets under management. Then we see that 36.6% of investors invest across multiple products offered by Grayscale. And lastly, Grayscale products cover over 70% of the digital currency market, which is absolutely crazy. And if we just take a look at their recent article, here we're talking about assets under consideration and current products. And if you guys aren't too familiar with Grayscale and what they offer in terms of cryptocurrency funds, you are essentially greeted with all kinds of cryptocurrencies. So you have Bitcoin, you have Cardano, you have Ethereum, you have everything Solana. You have so many cryptos that are available through Grayscale's products. And what do we see if we scroll down? They have assets under consideration. And what do you know? You have Gala Games token being considered to be added as one fund for Grayscale. And that would be absolutely crazy, in my opinion, if we have Gala added to the mix of assets offered by Grayscale. It just increases the exposure to Gala, as well as it increases the volume for Gala, and it makes Gala much more visible to the public and to people who are invested through Grayscale. They will now know what Gala Games token is, which is awesome and great news if it is added to the Grayscale program or funds. But if we just take a look at Gala Games in terms of the price for today, we are sitting around 21.4 right now. We've seen a whole reversal in the crypto space, finally some support, and Gala found support, which is phenomenal. The bleeding is definitely stopped right now. If we take a look at this day chart, we found support around the 15.3 a few days ago. We found resistance around 20 cents, and then we actually came all the way back down to about 16, found a new bottom, and what do we see over the day? We actually went up all the way to 23 cents, but right now we are finding some resistance on this 7-day EMA, which is this yellow line, but it's definitely much healthier than we've seen over the last few days. Finally back above the 20-cent mark. And if we just go on to a 4-hour chart, I want to show you guys a very good healthy sign for Gala. First of all, as I've said, we dropped all the way to about 15.3, and then we went back to test these EMAs on the 4-hour chart. We weren't able to find support on them, so we went all the way back, but this time around we found some support around the 16-cent mark. So we did create a higher low here, which is a good sign. So we essentially have a double bottom, and right now what do we see over the last few days? Well, we've been able to climb back above the EMAs, find support on them, and that is exactly what we see right now. The other thing is that we see that the 7 EMA has crossed a 20 EMA, which is a bullish sign, so that's good. And over the last few 4-hour candles, we're seeing that the 7 EMA on the 4-hour chart is providing support to Gala. So we are seeing the development of an ascending triangle. We have a lot of resistance around the 22-cent mark, and here we see that the support is probably going to continue up as this 7 EMA continues climbing up. There you have your resistance line, you have your support line, and in my opinion, it's going to break out to the upside, probably hit back around 23.2 or 23.5 as we've seen the high of the day today. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for Gala right now. It is much healthier than we've seen over the last few days. And if I just give you guys the Fibonacci retracement tool levels of this previous move, if we go from this low all the way to this high here, which was around 20 cents, we can see that the 1.414 is acting as resistance. We've tried a few times to go past it and it wasn't able to. So right now we are retracing to the 7 EMA on this 4-hour chart. And again, we are probably going to have more resistance around the 21.4. So do pay attention to these levels because the EMAs right now are providing a lot of support, but we obviously hit the 1.618, which is usually what you hit on your targets. And then we are retracing back. So hopefully hopefully find support on these EMAs and start another swing high move for Gala. So that's kind of what I'm looking at in terms of the price of Gala. Do pay attention to what comes out of this Grayscale article, whether or not Gala Games is going to be included in a fund by Grayscale. That would be absolutely great. And of course, we're seeing a sign of relief in the entire crypto space, which is good. And Gala is coming back to life. So we're obviously not out of the woods just yet, but it does look like we are making higher lows, and that is a good sign. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found some value to it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And with all that being said, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.